So I went to my local rack stores. I went to Burlington Coat Factory, Ross Dress for Less, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and there was absolute garbage. I was gonna try to do a rack store like filming. Nothing, nothing was worth it. It was complete trash. I'll tell you how bad it was. I went to Marshalls. All they had was Hollister Wave and a fragrance called Squad. I actually bought it from Marshalls. Pretty good fragrance, but all they had was 3 bottles of Hollister Wave and 2 bottles of Squad, and that was completely it. Ross, nothing. TJ Maxx, wow, I don't even remember what they had. It was so bad. I don't think they had anything, to be honest. Um, Burlington Coat Factory had a few fragrances, but it was like your typical Nautical Voyages, tobacco and tonka bean, and it was like it. So if you ever come to Baton Rouge, Louisiana, hang up for the rack stores. They are complete garbage. But I did pick up a fragrance that I just wanted to do an unboxing. I heard this is Creed Aventus-ish, but we're gonna find out. So roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay, this is from a house that nobody really talks about. They're a extremely cheapy house. It's a car brand. No, it's not your Lamborghinis. No, it's not Bentley at all because I haven't seen Bentley in rack stores at all. But this is Ford Mustang. Estee Lauder makes Ford Mustang. This is Ford Mustang Blue. And I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to let you know what I think about the fragrance and if I get any resemblance to Creed Aventus, because shout outs to my boy Redolescence. He did say about 30 minutes of the opening you get a Creed Aventus-ish, but then it goes to its own DNA. So let's find out. Nobody cares about that. Nothing spectacular, just a black box with Ford on it. It does say on the back, the Ford Mustang Blue fragrance is driven by notes of cool Mandarin, crisp juniper, and fresh cedar, built for a man on the move. We'll find out. Opens up really weird, but I mean it's a $15 fragrance. I'm not expecting much out of this. I heard that you can get about 7 hours with this fragrance. I heard that it projects decently for the first couple of hours. There was Mustang White there, but I heard it's like a clean fragrance. I heard this is the better fragrance, so that's why I got this one. So let's see what the initial spray actually smells like. The cap is snug, tight. Presentation is okay. I mean, I'm not impressed. This is really cheap presentation, but I'm not expecting much from a car brand like Ford. I'm not expecting anything luxury out of them, but hey. Atomizers, okay. I do get an Aventus-ish, but it is a very, in the air, it just smells kind of Aventus-ish, but it's like almost cheap, I would say, almost cheap, but it has an Aventus-ish vibe to it. Definitely, I can say that this may get compliments, but don't spray this expecting to get compliments because it's like a very low quality. Like this is not going to be nowhere near your Club de Nuit Intense Man. This is not going to be nowhere near your Al Haramains or Afnan or anything like that. It's not even, I wouldn't even put this along the lines of Black Walnut Legend by Banana Republic. But Maybe it's different on skin because I did just spray it in the air. So let's find out. I know I was wearing tobacco and tonka bean, but it's not super strong. Yeah, I'll spray it right here because I can still smell a little bit of the tobacco and tonka bean. I'll spray it here and see what I get. Hopefully I get something different on skin. Give it about 2 good sprays. You do get an initial alcohol blast. It's basically what you smell as soon as you spray it on. So let me actually let it dry a little bit and see what I get. Yeah, it definitely smells better on skin. I'm definitely getting that Aventus vibe a little bit. More of like an Aventus with a little bit of like a like Invictus, because it does smell like Creed Aventus, but then it does have kind of a fresh, fruity, kind of bubblegummy scent that's creeping in. And then I do smell that cedar as well, so it does give it a little woody vibe. Overall, not a bad fragrance. Now that I'm smelling it on skin, not a bad fragrance overall. Like I said, $15 from Ross Dress for Less, where I got this from. I just bought it just so I can do an unboxing because, like I said, our Ross Dress for Less, Brunson Co. Factory, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls are complete waste of time right now. I can't say that it's because of the fact that we're just leaving the Christmas holidays, because shout outs to my boy Grown Man Style. He went to his local rack stores and he was finding everything from Encre Noir. I mean, I'm gonna just leave it at that. If he found Encre Noir at a rack store, he hit the jackpot. But it was a lot of other stuff that he found there, and I was just like, wow. So if you want to see a good rack store video, go to my boy Grown Man Style. Watch his rack store video he just posted, and yeah, you'll see a lot of good rack store finds. But overall, with Mustang Blue for men, I would give this, it's better than good. I would give this about a 6.5. It's something that I would wear. It's a dumb reach, when I really just feel like throwing something on that's fresh, throwing something on that is a little bit woody, a little bit fruity, and kind of has that Creed Aventus style going for it, without necessarily being a Creed Aventus clone. I wouldn't even say it's inspired by Creed Aventus. I would just say it has a little bit of that Creed Aventus DNA in it. And that's about it. So this, is Ford Mustang Blue for men. Would I say you have to rush out and go get this? Absolutely not. But if you're like me and you go to your rack stores and they really do not have anything, you most likely will find this fragrance there. I'm not sure about the rest of them. I know there's a red. I know there's a white. They did have the white. I didn't want to get it because I didn't really like the reviews that I was hearing about it. But at the same time, this one is a good scent. I will wear this today. I may come back with a short to say how it, was on my skin after some time. But that's about it. So just wanted to do a quick little review on this one. I will have some better content coming. Some more top 10s, things like that. And that's about it. So you know who it is, D. Davinci the Poet. I do poetry and sim reviews. If you like that type of content, first off, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend's mother, father, sister, father, brother, cousin that D. Davinci the Poet does poetry and sim reviews. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell. And I'm out. Peace and God bless.